New and improved owner website, now with 24/7 availability and personalized login features. The dashboard is your home page. It gives you a snapshot of the latest information. The main navigation bar at the top of the dashboard is your gateway to each part of the site. Quickly and easily make reservations by going to Book. Here you can pick a location, select check-in and check-out dates, and choose from unit options. Access your wish list and see all your reservations, past, canceled, and current, in My Vacations. Manage your account with your points history, where you can keep track of your points and make payments under My Ownership. Search for resorts by name, location, experience, or on the map in the Resorts section. Discover ways to enhance your ownership under Benefits. Learn about Club Wyndham in Owner 101. And stay up to date on owner and company news in the What's Happening section. Back on the dashboard, you'll notice a few brand new features. With the wish list, you can save your favorite resorts or add the ones you haven't yet seen. When you're ready to book your next vacation, you'll have easy access to a list of prime destinations. You'll also want to check back every now and then for handy travel tips. Keep these ideas in mind, whether you're prepping for an upcoming trip, already enjoying your vacation, or planning future adventures. Start exploring your new dashboard today. What are you waiting for?
Your Club Wyndham Plus membership offers you the flexibility to deposit your points into the world's largest timeshare exchange and leisure company, RCI. Depositing your points into RCI on myclubwyndham.com has never been easier. To get started, simply select My Ownership on the top navigation menu. Next, select the Exchanges tab. In the RCI section, click Deposit your points into RCI today. You'll be directed to the RCI deposit page. Here you'll find important information, including the minimum number of points, housekeeping credits, and reservation transactions needed to complete your deposit. The deposit form offers a helpful reference chart that shows the number of points required for a 7-night stay through RCI. The number of points required is based on unit size and demand and is subject to change. Scroll down to complete your deposit in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Enter the total number of Club Wyndham Plus points you'd like to deposit. You'll notice the required housekeeping credits are automatically listed for you. Step 2. Select the use year you'd like your points to be deducted from. Step 3. Review the number of points and housekeeping credits that will be deposited. If everything looks correct, click Proceed.